We're here at a Deschutes National Forest picnic area called the Beach, south side of Elk Lake. Let's go check out the shoreline. Today is October 16th, 2025. I'm the only human being here. And look at the view, my friend, of South Sister Mountain. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Can I interest you in an alpine lake forest wonderland in fall? I'm here on the shoreline of Elk Lake at the Beach Deschutes area, south shoreline of Elk Lake, Deschutes National Forest, Central Oregon. And look at how absolutely beautiful this is. A little bit of an ethereal fog, a mist coming off Elk Lake. Today is October 16, 2025. It's about 27 degrees. And I, my friend, am the only human being here. You can see we actually had our first snow of the fall-winter season a couple days ago, so South Sister Mountain straight ahead has got a bright white marshmallow pop to it. Has some fresh snow. Right in that window where this whole Cascade Scenic Lakes Byway area is going to be closing. Got that marshmallow pop, which is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, this is, my friend, absolutely beautiful. And here is your Deschutes area. I also got to say, look at this beautiful shoreline. I've always thought this is actually one of the hidden gems of this whole Cascade Lake Scenic Byway. This is the Beach Deschutes area, south side of Elk Lake. I feel like it's a little underrated, a little off the beaten path. Look at how beautiful this shoreline is. Very common area to launch a kayak or go swimming. One of my favorite areas in this whole zone. This, my friend, absolutely spectacular.